Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Anxiety from Inside Out 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. We'll start with a small line down. Then from the top, let's curve it out and down on both sides. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Next, on top, let's thicken both of the lines up like this. Next, let's move inside each of the eyes and let's draw a circle. And then another one inside in the center. And now let's color both of these in black. And now let's add one more circle inside on the top right. Next, let's hop back out. Let's start from the top and let's draw another curve out and down on top of each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the eye on the left and let's draw a curve out, up, and back down. And the same on the right side. Now on both sides, let's add another curve underneath. And now let's connect them at the top with a curve across. And the same thing underneath. And then one more curve underneath to close off the bottom of the mouth. Next, let's hop inside the mouth and add the teeth. Let's start with a curve in the middle from the top. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another one on both sides. Leave a gap again and then two more on both sides like this. And now let's hop down and let's add the bottom row in the same way. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's add the eyebrows. On top of each eye, let's draw a curve down and out. Then from the top, a small angle up. And then one more curve to close off each eyebrow. Now on top of the head here, let's add the hair. Let's start with a curve up. And then continue it out on the other side of the eyebrow. And the same thing on the right side. Now from both ends, let's curve it back in. Now let's add two more curved pieces going up on both sides. Next, let's move on top in the center and let's draw a curved piece going upwards, and the same on the right. And then another set going down and out. Now we're going to add another piece underneath and behind. From the sides, let's draw a curve out. Then let's curve it back in and continue it on the other side. And let's do the same on the right. Now from the end here, let's curve it up and out behind the other piece of hair. And then curve it back in at the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 curves down for the neck. And then a longer curve across for the collar of the shirt. And then curve it back down on both ends. Next, underneath, let's leave a gap and let's draw a line down and in on both sides. And then a curve at the bottom. Next, let's hop in and add the belt. Let's add another curve. And then a circle inside. And then a small square inside. Next, let's hop down underneath and add the pants. Let's draw a line down in the center. Then from the sides of the body, we're going to curve it down and bring it out. And then curve both sides in at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across in the middle here. And then underneath the belt on the right, we're going to draw a line down and curve it in towards the center. And that's it for the pants. Now let's hop back up and add the arms. Let's start on the right side of the neck and let's draw a curve out and angle it down. And then another curve underneath. Now underneath this line, let's bring it back in towards the pants. And then bring the other line out and down. And then curve it back in underneath. Now underneath, let's add the hand. Let's start with a curve out and then bring it up. Then we're going to curve it back around and an angle back in. Now top to the left side and let's draw the other arm. For this one, we're going to draw a curve out and up. And then another curve underneath. And then close off the end of the sleeve. Now at the end here, let's add the hand. From the top, let's curve it up and back around for the thumb. Then let's hop down and we're going to draw a small line out and then a bump. Now to finish off the hand, let's draw 4 fingers like this. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move in and let's draw the stripe pattern on the shirt. Let's start with a curve under the neck. And another curve underneath this one. And now 2 curves across the torso. Now let's move on to the sleeves. Let's draw 2 at the top of each arm. Then another set in the middle. And then 2 more curves at the ends. Lastly, let's hop down and add the feet. Underneath the center, let's draw a line down. And then shorter lines on both sides. Then let's curve it out, up, and down. And then close off the bottom of each foot. Lastly, let's add the shoelaces by drawing small X's all the way down on top. And that's it for anxiety. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!